bí a bá dá ogún ọdún á pé bí a bá dá ọgbọ̀n ọdún á pé òní gangan ni àṣekágbá ìgbéyàwó Priscilla Òjó àti Juma ọmọ orílẹ̀-èdè Tanzania pé tí àwọn ẹbí ará àti ọ̀rẹ́ péjú síbẹ̀ láti yẹ́ wọn sí. èyí ni àwọn fọ́nrán àti àwòrán bí ìgbéyàwó náà ṣe lọ lórílẹ̀-èdè Tanzania. gbajúgbajà òṣèré tíátà ni Fúnkẹ́ Akíndélé ní pẹ̀lú ìyá ìyàwó Iyabo Òjó níbi ìgbéyàwó Priscilla Òjó ní orílẹ̀-èdè Tanzania. ẹ wo gbọ̀ngàn ńlá tó ti ṣe ibi ìgbéyàwó náà rèé ajé kú kalẹ̀.
No third party, and put God first in everything. Be prayerful, no third party, and make sure that when there's any little argument, don't let it linger for too long. Because two has become one. That's it. Yeah, when's the girlfriend? I'm expecting like a dozen grandchildren. Hey! Because I'm going to be the sexiest grandma alive. Oh, shit. Yeah. Hey! I wish them nothing but the best. The best. The best in life. Money, happiness, good health, wealth, everything that they wish themselves. JP 2025 is for...
Yeah, my name is Fúnkẹ́ Akíndélé and I'm live in Tanzania with JP 2025. If JP 2025 were to be a movie, oh my days, it would be titled Glitz Glam Forever. We're not stopping till eternity. And the lead character will be, Priscilla's character will be Sharon Oja. And the handsome man will be Timini Oguson. Yes, Juma will be Timini Oguson. Yes, I wish you guys all the best. Why would they be? Because Timini is so fashionable. Juma is fashionable. He's very confident. Sharon Oja is beautiful. She's got a lovely body shape, and Priscilla has the same too. And they're wonderful people, both of them, both parties. So I wish you all the best, Priscilla and Juma Jukes. Long life, good health in this marriage. Beautiful children, peace, harmony. Whoever wants to come between you, oh my pie.